Hello to all. Hello, I am Shubham Gurul, student of Symbiosis University of Applied Sciences, Indore. Topic of this presentation is generation of computers. So first we see the introduction of generation of computers. My first question is how many types of generation of computers are there? So there are 5 generation of computers are there. These are starting from first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, fourth generation computer, and the last is fifth generation computer till now. So the first generation of computers is based on the vacuum tubes. The period of first generation was from 1946 to 1959. The computers of first generation used vacuum tubes as the basic components for memory and circuitry for CPU, that is central processing unit. These tubes, like electric bulbs, produced a lot of heat and the installations used to fuse frequently. Here are some advantages of first generation of computers is fastest calculating device of their time. And some disadvantages are dissipate a lot of heat, consume a lot of electricity, very bulky in size. Here is the image of the first generation of computer is. Now, come to the second generation of computers. It is based on the transistors. The period of second generation was from 1959 to 1965. In this generation, transistors were used that were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact in size, more reliable and faster than the first generation machines made of vacuum tubes. Second generation computers were first developed for the atomic energy industry. Advantages of second generation computers: smaller in size as compared to the first generation computer. The second generation computers were more reliable. Disadvantages of second generation computers: the cooling system was required. Constant maintenance required. Here is the image. Now, move towards the third generation of computers, that is based on integrated circuits. The period of third generation was from 1965 to 1971. The computers of third generation used integrated circuits ICs in place of transistors. A single IC has many transistors, resistors, and capacitors along with the associated circuitry. This development made computers smaller in size, reliable, and efficient. In this generation, remote processing, time sharing, multi-programming operating system were used. High-level languages were used during this generation. Advantages of third generation computers: smaller in size as compared to the previous 2 generation of computers. Used less energy. Better speed and calculate data in nanoseconds. Disadvantages of third generation computer: air conditioning was required. IC chips are difficult to maintain. The highly sophisticated technology required for the manufacturing of IC chips. Here is the image. Now, the second last generation computers is fourth generation of computers. It is based on microprocessors. The period of fourth generation was from 1971 to 1980. Computers of fourth generation used very large-scale integrated, that is VLSI circuits. VLSI circuits having about 5,000 transistors and other circuit elements with their associated circuits on a single chip made it possible to have microcomputers of fourth generation. In this period, several word processing packages, speech sheet packages and graphics packages were introduced. Advantages: less maintenance is required. All types of high-level language can be used in this type of computers. Heat generated is negligible. Disadvantages: the microprocessor design and fabrication are very complex. Still, air conditioning is required in many cases due to the presence of ICs. Advanced technology is required to make the I.CS. Here is the image. Now the last one is fifth generation of computers that is based on artificial intelligence. In the fifth generation, VLSI technology became ULSI ultra-large-scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. This generation is based on parallel processing hardware and AI, that is artificial intelligence software. This generation is based on parallel processing hardware and AI, artificial intelligence, software. AI is an emerging branch in computer science, which interprets the means and method of making computers think like human beings. Advantages of fifth generation of computers are: development of true artificial intelligence, development of natural language processing, advancement in superconductor technology. Disadvantages of fifth generation of computers are: they tend to be sophisticated and complex tools. They can give more power to companies to watch what you are doing and even allow them to infect your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.